Okay, so in this video we're gonna have a look how to demonstrate Pythagorean theorem on Geogebra. So we are in Geogebra website. We'll click on Start Calculator. From these options, I'll go to Geometry, and then I will click on Points, and I have point A, point B. I'll connect them with a segment. Great. And since I'm dealing with right angle triangles, I want the other short side, not the hypotenuse obviously, the short side to be perpendicular to this line. So I'll click on perpendicular line, and I am going to draw my point C over here. Okay. I'm going to connect points C and B with a segment. Okay, and I click on this perpendicular line, clicking those three dots, settings, and I don't need this object to be shown. Okay, and then I connect C and A with the segment. Just to make sure this is a right angle triangle, just to make sure that B, the angle B is right, I can go to angle. I can see that is 90 degrees. Great. Okay. There we go. I can also extend the triangle. All right. And since we want to show Pythagorean theorem here, we will draw the squares of each side. So I can start with line CB. I can go to regular polygon, and I have CB. I want 4 vertices since it's going to be a square, and I have my square here. And I'm going to draw another square, A, B, 4 vertices. I've got the other square, and then I have from A to C, 4 vertices, another. If it's an issue like this one, I can just go from C to A. There we go, instead of A to C. Great. Now each side has its square. Now I want to find out what is the area of each square. Okay, so I'll go to measures. Where is measures? Measure, area. This is poly 3, this is poly 1, and this is poly 2. And it shows the area of each square. Of course, we can adjust that. We can move it if you want. We can move it around. Okay, and you can see that the area changes each time. So this is a nice demonstration. Now, if I leave it like that and I go to algebra, now I can see all of the details for each line, for each angle, everything that we've done so far. So if I go to input and I click on equals poly 3, which is the square formed by the hypotenuse, it shows me 25.5. And the next line, if I do equals poly 1 plus poly 2, it should also give me 25.5. Great.